Welcome to this video tutorial where we're going to look at how to sync audio using the Vault Platform software. So we'll start by bringing some clips into the library using the link task. I have some files in this test files folder. So there's 5 clips inside here. So we'll link those in and we can see those populate in the library. Now if we look in the Finder, these are my source image files. They're actually Codex Action Cam sequences. And on my desktop, I have a folder called Sound with WAV files in. Now inside my project setup, I've got a job for audio syncing, and this just contains an audio sync task, and it's going to match audio files to clips based on timecode. We can also optionally set this up to base the sync on timecode and roll, or we can just use timecode only. So if I come back to my library and select these clips that I want to sync audio with, and then go to other jobs and start my audio sync task, now it's going to ask me to specify a directory where the audio files are. Now at this point I could go in and navigate to my desktop and I could select that sound folder, but the system can actually help us here by automatically finding the audio files. So if we cancel this for now, and the way that we set the system up to automatically find the audio files is if we give the directory that contains the files the name audio, and we actually put that at the same level as our clip folders. So we can move this back up into this folder. So now we have our clips and we have the folder with our audio, and now the software will automatically look here for a folder called audio to sync with. So we have our clip selected. We can start the audio sync task again, and it finds the audio files and it tells us that it's managed to sync with 3 clips. 3 of them were partial matches, so the audio didn't entirely match up with the video, and 2 of the clips there could be no audio found to sync with. So now our clips have audio files associated with them, but we need to check if they're actually in sync. So the place we do that is Vault Review. So if we launch Vault Review now and open up the audio panel, like so here, we can see the waveform at the bottom now, down here. And in the side panel we can click this icon and we can see all of the audio files that are loaded. So if we scroll down through this list, we can see the one that's actually highlighted as being a match for this clip. You can see it says 79% here. So this is the percentage of the audio file that matches up with the video clip. And we can see that visually. The area of the audio file that's grey is timecode before the video clip starts, and then the area that's black is timecode that overlaps with the video clip. So now we can play back and check our sync. If we go to another clip, here for example, we might want to adjust that sync. So if we find the slate frame, we can use the timecode match here, and now we can see this is our video playhead. Currently the audio is synced up perfectly with the video, but if we step through and zoom in, we can actually check that sync more accurately. So as we step through, we can actually see we hit the audio waveform here, but the video frame is not entirely lined up, so the clap hasn't quite happened yet. So if we move forward another frame, we can see now the clap is actually closed, and this is where we want the audio waveform to be used. So we can adjust the offset like so. So now the audio is actually playing half a frame before the video timecode, and that's synced up. We can move through our clips, making these sync adjustments until we're happy, and then we can start rendering files.